Just to show how sad of a human being I truly am, I am sitting alone on the floor of my basement, talking to my computer. If you want to lead a life like I do, you should become a programmer. I think that's all I have to say. What's up? My name is Jamin, and I am making a YouTube channel. My channel is for people who want to learn how to program. Beginners specifically, I'm beginner oriented. If you know how to program, leave unless you find me particularly entertaining. The other purpose of this channel is to entertain myself, because I'm bored. When you are going through these videos that I am hopefully posting, maybe it's just a temporary thing and I will stop tomorrow. I don't know. After you watch a video, you should spend a decent amount of time practicing what you have learned. I know this seems pretty obvious, but it's really, really important. Do not watch multiple videos in a row, one after another. You should take time to, besides this one, sorry. You should practice what you've learned without using my code in a new way. Try to break things. If you get errors, ask questions in the comments. But it's really important that you practice everything you learn, because otherwise you'll absorb all this information and you'll think, wow, I really got all this stuff, and you'll sit down and you'll try to write a program and you're not going to be able to do it because you didn't listen to me. I apologize in advance if I'm not entertaining or if I don't make any sense whatsoever. I know how to program, so I'm naturally going to make leaps in my way of explaining things that aren't going to make sense to beginners. If this happens, ask questions in the comments, or if you're confused just because you're confused, I will respond to them. I will do my very best. I will turn on comment notifications if that's a thing. I don't know what YouTube is. I'll be teaching you to program in a language called Java, Java. It's like coffee. There's a very particular way you're supposed to install Java on your computer, and I'm not going to tell you how to do that because there are many, many tutorials on the internet of how to install Java. There is a link to one I found useful in the description. If you don't think that's useful, then look up how to install Java on my computer, and you'll find something very useful. If you're wondering why I chose Java, it's because it's the first language I learned. It's the language I am most proficient in, and I really like it because it's very explicit.